Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to install reversing cameras on Vauxhall Zafira B. This also applies to many GM cars, and also it applies with any device, whether you have original Vauxhall Zafira stereo. So this is the relay we are going to 12 volt relay we are going to use, and this is our diagram. As you can see from the photo there, that we need first the relay comes with 4 pins. Now since this is a 12 volt relay and it comes with 4 pins, now you can see into my diagram there that your camera, which has got red and yellow, positive and negative. So first you need to connect the positive to number 87 in the relay, on the relay, and which is red, as you can see from there, and then you need to connect the yellow one, which is negative from the camera. This has to go all the way to the ground, or the other way you can connect this to number 85, and then you take another wire there from relay from number 85 from the relay to the ground as well. So either way it can work. Next we need the constant 12 volt. So we can get constant 12 volt from the battery, or if you've got a cigarette lighter like Zafira they've got, you can connect number 30 to the cigarette lighter positive. And then we need number 86, which from the relay you're going to connect it to reverse lighting wire. You can just tap in. It is a black and white wire from Vauxhall Zafira. It's easy to find and it is only one, so you can connect it from there. It has got a number 85, 86, 30 and 87. Now we've got here, I've put red, this is number 30. Number 30, this goes to the 12 volt, for example cigarette lighter, positive, or ignition, or anything which is live. And we've got number 87. Number 87, normally they go like opposite, 30 and 87. 87, it is the device like your reverse camera plus. And we've got number 85. 85 goes to ground. You can use cigarette light ground or any bolt in your car. And we've got number 86. 86, this goes to your reverse light, where you tap in. If you've got reverse light, you know which is the reverse light, you tap in and then you connect with this number 86. So this is the solution. And when you start your car and put on reverse, it will only come on during that time. And even if your car is on, it won't the screen will not come on until you start your car and you put on reverse. So I hope guys this video helps, and if you've got any question, please don't forget to put a comment and subscribe. I will show you an old video which I have used relay at the end of this video, and you'll see how it works. Thanks for watching, and please watch more video and like and shares. Thank you. Now let's start our car and see if everything is okay now. Right, we're gonna put it in reverse, and we can see that our monitor is working fine. There's no issue again of switching off. So one more time, this is our diagram. 30 goes to the battery, 85 goes to ground including the yellow from the camera, 86 goes to reverse light, and 87 it goes to plus or red from your camera. So thank you for watching, and if you feel like this video help, please subscribe.